Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering a small Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and a multimeter so you can diagnose quickly. Once done, remove the ear cushions and locate the screws. This gives direct access to the driver and wiring. You do a careful visual inspection for frayed wires or corroded contacts, because that tells you whether a simple connection fix or part replacement is needed. Make sure to keep screws organized and work on a soft surface to avoid scratching components. Now you diagnose the problem methodically. Use the multimeter to test continuity from the jack through the cable to each driver so you know where signal stops. If a driver shows open or intermittent readings, open the housing and inspect the diaphragm and solder joints because cold joints are common. Once located, either replace the cable assembly or resolder the broken connection, making sure to add heat shrink or tape for strain relief. This prevents repeat failure when you reassemble. Finish by reassembling in the reverse order. Reseat the drivers, tighten screws snugly but not over-torqued, and press cushions back evenly so seals remain intact. Then you test audio on 2 different devices and confirm stereo balance and microphone function if applicable, because device-specific issues can mimic hardware faults. If sound remains distorted or one side fails, try a soft reset or a new cable. If problems persist, stop and use the warranty or professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.